This video tutorial I will explain parallel prefix method of arrays class which accept any type of array and binary operator. Here I have defined a class arrays demo. Here I have defined the integer array. Then I have defined binary operator. Then I am calling parallel prefix method of arrays class and passing integer array and binary operator object. What this parallel prefix method will do is it will update the integer array content based on binary operator associative function. Here you can see the updated integer array content. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.